Hey guys, today in this video, I'll guide you through how you can extract frames from a GIF. Watch till the end to grab everything properly. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, get to the GIF you want to extract frames from and right-click on it. In the context menu, select Open With and then click on Orphan View from the list of apps. If you do not have Orphan View installed, you can download it from the official website. Once you have Orphan View open, inside it, click on the Options feature at the top menu and select Extract All Frames from the drop-down menu. After selecting this option, you will see the number of frames displayed at the top. You can choose to extract all the frames or select a custom range of frames to extract. Next, you will need to select the destination folder where the extracted frames will be saved. Choose the folder and the desired picture format for the frames. Once everything is set, click on Start. After the extraction process is complete, close the Orphan View application and navigate to the destination folder you selected. You will see that the frames have been successfully extracted. So that's basically how you can extract frames from a GIF. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.